So I want to ask you a question. What do you do for peace? What do you do for stillness? What do you do for peace of mind? I know I had lost sight of all of that. And life proved to be overwhelming to me. It was overwhelming. I was a lot to a lot of people and a lot of things, building businesses and, designing for Girls Censored, creating a makeup line for Magical Beauty, which are my heart and soul, really. And also being a mom as well and trying to be there for my kids as much as I can, you know, it was quite taxing. Wanting to create a future for myself, I had lost sight of that. Peace, still, me. And that is so important in life. I know how important it is in life to create and spend time with yourself and to know yourself and to create the person that you want to be. I recently started practicing yoga again, which I had stopped doing because I got too busy. But in practicing yoga again and implementing that into my life, I started to feel good. Not just like good, but great. I started to bring stillness back into my life. And in that stillness came answers. Came answers to the questions that I was looking for. So I ask you, what do you do in your life for stillness, for quiet, time for gratitude, a time to receive the answers to the questions that you're looking for? It's important.